Alright, okay, so let's start. Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining our free online lesson. I hope everyone can see my screen and hear my voice. Alright, so before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Sohana and I'm from Acad system. Okay, so for today's topic is Form Rebar using Revit. So for better understanding, let's go through our slide. Okay, so for introduction, Form Rebar are used to create rebar sets with planar bars distributed along the faces of a structural element and aligned to a distribution path. Like the surface distribution, you can model it in 3D views and select the structural element faces to which the bars are aligned. Meaning that, rebar not only are limited to straight and flat elements. By using a freeform rebar, we can place the rebar into more complex structure. Okay, so yeah, our course online is like this. We will place rebars into these walls, into this structure. Okay, we will use curved wall and also spiral stairs. The first outline will be to add reinforcement using two distribution types, which is the align and surface. And then we will adjust the clash rebar using edit constraint. And finally, we will learn to edit the color of the rebar for easy view. All right, so without wasting any time, let's go to our Revit. Okay, for structure, welcome. Okay, so when you open our Revit, because we will doing a structure element, so we need to open new, okay, under the structure template, and then click on OK. So, okay, let's wait a bit. Let's go to level 1. All right, so we will create a curved wall first. Here under the structure tab, click on the wall here, wall structure. And then we will do a curved wall. So you select this one. Okay, 200 millimeters. Let's change it to edit type. First. Okay, so just change it to the thickness I think 200, and also I took the first. With our on checking click. Alright, then click on OK. Then okay. Okay. Alright, so let's begin. Set our curve wall here. So let's make it 7,000 to zoom in a little bit. Right. On 3D. Let me change the visual style. Okay. So this is our curve wall. So we need to paint the rebar inside a compact structure. Hide the levels here. Press on VG on your keyboard. Select under the annotation categories. Just check in the levels. Okay, apply. All right, so now we will focus on just this structure. Okay. Just click on your wall here and click on the rebar. Okay, just give out the definition of not include hooks. So just click on OK. Okay, so for this structure, it's already detect that we have choices of placement methods. Okay, if you see here, we have reform, sketch, expand to host, but and by 2 points. But when we select the structure earlier, it's already detect that we can only choose freeform and sketch. But here, we will use the freeform to place in the rebar. Okay, to select the freeform, and first we will do an aligned distribution type. Okay, now the first step is to select the host surface. Okay, just click on. We need to click all of the surface. Let me change. Okay. Okay, just click here. All the surface. Okay, if you have a hard time in choosing the line, just click on the tab. Okay, select the press the tab, and then it will shift the lines. So you can choose it a lot better, a lot easier. Tab, select. Right, just check if you have select all of the surface. Okay. Right. This one. Tab, select. Okay. And then for a line distribution type, you need to determine the path. So just click on here, path. Okay, the path is so that your rebar will be set to distribution. I mean, like which path this distribution will be. Right. So click on here, bottom here, then click on. Okay. So, if you can see that this is our rebar, but not a very clear. So let's adjust the visual. Let's just adjust the detail first. Okay, let's set the detail level to fine. Okay, so this is our rebar. If you cannot see the rebar in 3D, you need to just click here. Need to edit the graphic. Okay, click on the view visibility states at edit, and then just check on the 3D here so that you can see it on 3D. Okay. If you select the rebar, you can also adjust the type here, which type you want to use. Okay. I mean the size. All right. So if you're okay with H16, then we will change the layout. I mean the numbers. So if you want to change the number, you can just go to the rebar set here. Okay, just choose the. For me, I would like to choose the maximum spacing. But if you have a certain amount of rebar you want to place inside your structure, you can just choose a fixed number and enter the amount of rebar you want. Okay, let's just go with the maximum spacing. Right. So this is, they will be auto distributed along the wall by using the path that you have clicked on earlier. Okay, so you can also adjust the spacing. So let me adjust the spacing to be 200. Okay, so this is the bar. Okay. So now I also want to do horizontally. So by using the same method, click on the rebar here. First click on the structure and then the rebar. And then by using the same method, align, okay, reform. Select on the host surface, all of it. Tab so that you can select a lot easier. Okay. Shift orbit. Okay. if you don't know which one you have chosen, so you can just see on the cursor, it have minus and also plus. If minus means that you have already chosen that surface, okay, but if it is like plus sign, means that you did not yet choose that surface. Okay, like this one, okay, we have a plus sign, just click on, right. Okay, so then click on the path. After selected all the surface, click on the path, and then select the path on which way you want the rebar to be. Okay, click on here and click. So this is your rebar. Okay, so just select on here to adjust the sizing for the height. Okay, and then adjust the amount, maximum spacing. Okay, and then same, I will try to change the spacing. All right, so here is our rebar. Okay, for curved wall. Okay, if you can see that we have a bit of constraint here, the rebar is clashed into each other. So don't worry, we will adjust it by using edit constraint. Okay, first you need to select the rebar here, and then under the constraint here, just click on the edit constraint. So this will highlight the rebar on which you want to edit the constraint here, and constraint is like an offset, so you need to adjust the amount here. It have multiples of this circle here, so that is position that you can offset the amount, so you can adjust your rebar. Okay. So let me just enter amount negative 20 millimeters. Negative 20. So yeah, it will move your rebar inside. Okay. So that's how you can adjust your rebar by using edit constraint. Okay, so and then if you are finished, then you can just click on finish here, check. Okay. Okay, this side has not flash anymore. But if you have any other place that you want to edit the position, just go to the edit constraint. All right, so next is we will do our spiral stairs using the same method, but we will use surface and aligned distribution type. Okay, so first we have to create our stairs. Go to level 1, and then on the architecture, click on the stairs here, and click on, let me move this one. Okay, then click on the full step spiral. Sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. Okay, and then okay, I would like it to be 1,500. Yeah. Then okay, if we go to the 3D, we go to the 3D. Okay, we cannot see the stairs yet because we need to check in the VG. Okay, visibility graphic. So type in VG on your keyboard, and okay, see, and then you're gonna check the stairs here. All right, so click on apply, click on OK. So here is our stairs. Okay, for the stairs, I'm gonna change the properties. I would like it to be the monolithic stairs. Okay, this is our stairs right now. So we want to put our rebar inside our stairs. So let's isolate this. Okay. Let's isolate this. Then just click on VG. Need to enter the annotation category. Then uncheck the section box because we don't want to see the section box. All right, so here is our stairs. Okay, now just like previous step, just select on the stairs and select on the rebar. Okay, right. So, but I think we need to change the visual style first. Just press on escape, and then under the visual style here, change it to hidden line. Okay, so we can see it a lot better. All right, so click again the stairs, and then click on the rebar. Okay, freeform. I just choose freeform, and first we will do a line first. Okay, and then after that we will do the surface. Okay, so orbit around, select the host surface here. Okay, and then click on the path. The path would be the inner side of our stairs. Click on. You can see it a lot better like this. All right, click here, here, here. Okay, actually, like along the path here, we need to click it. All right, and then after that, let's check it. Okay, so here is your rebar. Right, so we will leave it like that first, and then we will do the surface along the stairs here. Okay, so just click on your structure, click on the rebar, and then for this time we will change the distribution type to be the surface. Okay, just like earlier, select on the full surface first, and then if you for surface, we have start surface and end surface. For right now, to change it, after we have select the whole surface, we have to change it to start surface. You can either click on here, or you can press on space bar. Okay, so it will tell you to select start surface. Okay, for start surface, we will click on here, outer parts of the stairs. Here until the end of the stairs. Okay. Just click it like this. Okay, yeah, and then press on space, or you can just click on this one and surface. For end surface, we will change it to, we will go to our inner side. All right, okay, click like this. Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining. Okay, continue to select until the end. Right, and then click on OK. Okay, so you can see that this is your rebar right now. Click on escape. Hello, welcome. Okay, this is your rebar right now. So now we have to adjust the amount of rebar. Okay, click on here. Under the rebar set, just like earlier, click on the maximum spacing. Then you can adjust your size of spacing to be 150. All right. Okay, so for you can see that the rebar is street, right? So you can add, if you select on rebar, you can see that from in the property, okay, you can change the size, and also you see that under the structural rebar you have the hook at start. Okay, you can, if you select on the standard 90°, you will add a hook here on your rebar. Okay, that was the hook at start, and also hook at end. Okay, apply. So this is your rebar, and then for another one, click on it, adjust the amount. Okay, I want to change the spacing. All right, so here is your rebar for spiral staircase. Okay, let's change it back to shaded. Okay, this is your rebar. All right, so now we will learn how to change the color of the rebar so that we can see more better. But see, if we zoom it has constraint, right? So just like earlier, click on rebar. Okay, click on here. One, edit constraint. Okay, just find this one, right? Just to be negative 20. Okay, so the bar inside has gone more towards the inner to the structure. Okay, so if you are okay with now, then just click on finish. Okay, that's how you edit the constraint. Okay, so we will change the color. Just right click the rebar. Okay, and then you have this list of options. Just click on the right of graphics in view, okay, and select the Y element. First, select this rebar. Yeah, all right, here, right click, here by element. So here you have, you can set the pattern and color. So for the pattern, I will choose a solid field, and then the color, I will change it to be yellow. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, this is how you can change your color. You can add color to your bar. Okay. Select this click, right click, and then on the override graphics by element. Wait for a bit. Then choose the solid field here, change the color, and then set on OK. Then click on apply. OK. And that's how you change, you can add more visual towards your stairs here. Okay. Then if you are finished, and just click on the section box here. Okay, so we can see the other structure as well. So this is how you can place your rebar inside your complex structure. Okay, do you have any questions for now? Okay, so if you don't have any question, before we end our lesson, let's go. I will show you our website. Okay, just type in Acad system. Okay, so this is our website. We have a lot of products. We have our promotions, and we also have others free online lesson. Where is the colonizing? Yeah, I think I picked the wrong one. Okay, this is our website. Okay, if you scroll down, we have our latest promotions and news for our product, which you can see we have lots of product here. And we also have free online lessons. If you scroll down, okay, here, for other topics, you can just, you want to join, just click on and then click on here, and then you can just go here if you want to join. And then we also have our YouTube channel. If you simply click on our YouTube, it will go to our Acad systems videos channel. So we have not only Revit, but also have a Fusion, Inventor, Max, and many other more. So just you can, if you want to know more, just go to our website and can join. All right. Okay. So I think that's only for our lesson today. If you have any questions, you can send email to me, Rina Suhana at Acad System, and also you can call us by using this number. Right? So I hope you can enjoy our lesson today, and thank you for joining.